Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of reinstalling your audio driver in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing audio issues in Windows 11, you might want to reinstall your audio driver. While you cannot directly restart an audio driver, reinstalling it is a straightforward process. Begin by opening the Windows search bar and typing Device Manager. Once Device Manager appears in the search results, click to open it. In the Device Manager window, you will see a list of hardware categories. Expand the section labeled Audio Inputs and Outputs. Locate your specific audio driver in the list. It might be labeled as speakers, headphones, or microphone. Right-click on the relevant audio driver. From the context menu that appears, select Uninstall Device. A confirmation prompt will likely appear. Click on Uninstall Device again to proceed. Please note that if you are currently recording, uninstalling the audio driver may interrupt your recording. Once the driver is uninstalled, it will be removed from the list. To prompt Windows to reinstall the driver, go to the Action menu at the top of the Device Manager window and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will then scan your system for any new or missing hardware and should automatically reinstall the audio driver. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.